It's been over a month that I've switched my Repricer from Bqool. I was using Bqool. You guys know, you guys have seen the previous videos on the subject. I switched my Repricer from Bqool to Aura because I'm currently trying to try different Repricer. My goal was to move to SellerSnap. Now, I said to myself, and this is just a quick recap for you guys that haven't watched the videos, the previous videos, right? So I wanted to move to SellerSnap, and I said, you know what? I've heard a lot of good things on Aura. And by the way, we need to talk a little bit about Bqool because I received crazy comments on Bqool, and I'm talking to the camera woman right now. Please let me know for how long I've been talking every single minute. So I know that I'm not going overboard because I'm not trying to make these videos 10 minutes long. You know, my sweet spot is 8 to 10 minutes. You know, I'm not trying to bore you guys neither. You know, but yeah. So pretty much, I said, you know what? Let me try Aura, and then I'll move to SellerSnap a little bit later. But to be 100% honest, I don't know if I'm going to move to SellerSnap because Aura is doing a really good job. I don't know how much better it can be, and I think that I will reserve Aura when I will really go deep in every single product, and I will reserve SellerSnap for when I actually move deeper into wholesale and I'm really deep in a lot of asins. As of right now, yes, I do go deep on some asins, but like I feel like Aura is really doing a great job, and like I'm pretty pleased with Aura right now. And yes, I know I could have a more powerful Repricer, but as of right now, it's working good for me. All right. So how is it doing right now with Aura? So I said it's doing really good. The great thing, price is not tanking, and also one of the great things is that I've heard it, and somebody actually, I think it's Matt, who's commenting a lot on the channel, told me in the comments that Aura, Maven, which is the AI from Aura, is getting better with that. Okay, the more you use it, the better it gets, and it's actually true. So my sales are definitely speeding up by the day, but of course it's on an asin by asin basis. If you try new asins, it's not going to be the case, right? It's not going to be the case. You need to for the AI to learn about the behavior on an asin, it needs to be on an asin for a little while, right? Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. So the AI has really been doing a great job. Now, the thing is that Bqool, so it's a little bit difficult to say, so I don't necessarily want to talk about that. It has been doing a great job, but you know, and I've been asked to make a video on my repricing rule with Bqool, because if you've seen my video, if you are using Bqool and you want to see all the setup that I had with Bqool, you can watch the video. It's going to be on this side, I believe. You can watch this video, you'll have my whole setup, and you can actually get on the description of every single one of my videos, you have a link, and you just sign up with your email and you receive every single Repricer rule and like my flow chart on how I was using them. It was a lot of work. If I'm being 100% honest, I haven't logged into Aura ever since I actually put my payment method at the end of the trial. No. The thing that I do not really like with Aura, that I did not really like, is that I did not even receive an email telling me that my trial was about to end. And so because of that, for like 1 day and a half, I did not have a Repricer, because like my trial ended, I did not receive an email telling me that I needed to actually put a payment method and all that stuff. So this is one downside of Aura. It's not too bad, of course. Like if anybody at Aura is actually watching this video, please try to do something so we actually get an email, okay, when our trial ends. Whatever. Let's move to the next point. So the AI is really great. No, I've heard, you know, like that. It's actually crazy. So not too long ago, a couple of days ago, somebody actually left a comment on one of my Bqool videos, actually detailing detailing, my video, my Bqool video detailing all my repricing rules. Or no, actually, it was my video on is Bqool AI worth it, right? And I think I was pretty clear in that video that I talked about it. If you want to watch that old video, just put Bqool AI Chris Mangoons on the search bar right above this video right there, and you'll find it. But so this guy said Bqool is a scam. Bqool is a scam. I'm reporting this video for false advertisement, some stuff like that. Which is actually crazy. I know, it's actually crazy that so many people have such a hate towards Bqool. I don't understand, because yes, Bqool is not perfect. It's still a good software. It's not trash. Okay, you cannot say that it's trash. There's a lot of trash Repricer. A lot of trash Repricer. And by the way, I receive a ton of emails from trash repricing companies for me to actually promote their software, and I've always said no. So, and I'm telling you, I even got at one point an offer for $200 to make a video on one trash software. I don't need that money, and I think you guys know, there are softwares that pay really, really good, and I'm actually critical of them. And I think that if you guys actually I think that I can be trustworthy based on that, and you guys will judge yourself, right? But yeah, so quick side note on Bqool. Yeah, people have crazy, and I think this needs to stop, because it's doing too much. You can say the software is not good, but don't go that far. It's not a scam. Okay, you're paying for something. It may not be the best. Maybe there's better alternative on the market, but I don't understand why people have such a hate of Bqool. Okay, why people hate Bqool so much, but whatever. So with Aura, to be honest, I haven't had to log in. Why? Because they have something that is called the routines, right? Is it the routines? I forgot. I don't even log in, so I forgot. Okay, the only reason why I would log in is if one of my products actually tanked. And to be honest, I'm really, really busy. This is also one of the reasons, this is why you see me actually recording this video in my car, because I'm actually super, super busy right now. You guys know I'm in Belgium right now. I'm taking care of some stuff. Maybe you will know. If you are in my coaching groups, you guys know. I think all of you guys know what I'm talking about. If you're not, I'm sorry, you will probably not know. Maybe you will know. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe I will tell you guys. But yeah, I'm super busy, so that might be one of the reasons why. I haven't really logged into Aura. But still, the great thing with Aura routines is that you do not even need to go into Aura to set your repricing rule on your asins, because it's going to do it for you, right? It's going to do it for you. With a routine, you can set a routine. So whenever there's a new asin, whenever there's a new SKU, it's going to set your repricing rule on that new SKU, right? The great thing with Aura is that your minimum price is set at the rule level. So every single rule will have a minimum price. Okay, so you do not need to set it. Same thing with not the same thing with the maximum price. With the maximum price, the AI, there's an AI that works to choose the best maximum price for you. So this is not something that you need to worry about. All right. So yeah, that's that. No, there's one thing though. Aura is doing, and this is a little thing that I've noticed on some listings. So, and I don't know how true it is, but this is something that I'm going to look more into, and then I will let you know. But of course, when you get sales way above the buy box, because Aura is really, really good at getting you those sales way above the buy box. One thing that I noticed is, because I'm not going to lie, with Bqool I never got any sales in a similar fashion that were that much above the buy box, right? So with Aura, it happens actually quite often. Now, one of the issues that I've noticed is that whenever you get those sales at a really high price, it makes sense. It looks like you get way more returns when you sell at a price that is above the buy box, right? So this is a number that I will need to dig a little bit on, because I think that this is something that the AI that chooses your maximum price is not actually looking at. Okay, that is not really taking that into account, you know. So that could be one issue, because it's cool. Like if you have a product that sells at $30, it's cool to have sales at $45. But if all those sales get cancelled whenever the customer goes back onto listing and actually see that you can actually get the product for way cheaper, of course it's going to get pissed and it's going to cancel, right? So it's really good to get your sales above the buy box. But I think that there's because there's one specific ASIN that I'm thinking about that I got a lot of returns for, which is not necessarily something that I should be getting a lot of returns on, you know. So yeah, that's where we are right now with Aura. Now, one of the other things that I need to dig on is what does because my return on investment has increased, my margins have increased. No, the only issue that I have is I need to figure out how much
time in traffic, 13 minutes.
I need to figure out how much my inventory turnover has decreased by. All right, so because my inventory is definitely selling a little bit slower than it used to. So of course my return on investment has increased, my margins has increased, but I would need to do some profit analysis to see if it's actually worth it. I believe it's worth it, but I'm really interested to see how much my inventory turnover has decreased by, you know. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I think it was not too long. Hopefully, I think I exceeded my sweet spot, but I hope you guys actually enjoyed this little time that we got to spend together. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.